So what's up guys? So natadi karon is mayong adlaw sa tanan. So here we are again sa Ikoy Vlogs. So another serious content about the guys. So today we would like to continue no kung what are the principles nga dapat ma-equip nato ato self para mahimot successful in the future no. So there's a step-by-step process and principles nga dapat ma-equip nato atong self before ta mahimo or before ta ma-achieve atong mga goal no. According to book Think and Grow Rich, and then kani siya is Leaders Eat Last, and dapat tay starts with why ni Simon Sinek no. So according to these books manggod is these are the principles or these are the things na you need to master for to achieve atong mga goals no. Any goal na gusto nimo, we have to equip ourselves with this mga principle. So nag-start naman ta sa gratitude sa last video nato. Sa mga wala nakita, ato i-pin dito sa comment section below. Okay? Since we started with gratitude, we're gonna move on to the word discipline. So why discipline? Actually guys, I believe that kitang tanan, we have the capacity to achieve any goal na gusto na. We have the capacity to achieve any goal na gusto nato as long as we are disciplined enough. There's a quote I read within this book. So, I share sa inyo guys, ang quote nga, what you do today determines who you will be tomorrow. So that simple phrase is very powerful guys, because think about it now. If you do things today nga makatabang sa imong self sa future, what do you think will be your life 5 to 10 years from now? Grabe yun ang iyahang impact, iyang meaning. If you're disciplined enough, I believe in the saying that life is a just employer. Meaning, everything you ask for life is willing to give it to you, but you need to prepare yourself to pay the wages. Think of it guys, inani. When was the last time na ngayon mo sa life of anything on your wala niya gihatag? When you did it right, no? Nothing in life is free. It may not be in the currency, na money, life as wages. Kasi gusto ka makapagumano eskwela, ihatag man ang life sa imo. Wake up early para matag sa mga klase. No, number 2, you have to study. Kailangan gaan sa nimo ng mga laag-laan. There's a time to study and there's a time to laag. And number 3, you need to discipline yourself na to understand things that are difficult because everything sa sugod is difficult. Imagine that one. Gusto ko baka mag-eskwela and all life asks for you is mamatagag sa'yo, mag-study ka, and try to understand ang mga things na di pa niyo masabtan. Eventually, in the long run, mahatag man sa'yo or eventually, mag-graduate din ka. That goes to all things na may pangay sa life. Let's say, gusto ka mag-hadang trabaho. Then, life heard you or God heard you. Then, say, sige, tatag trabaho. But here's the wages. Una, wake up early. Wake up early, pag-prepare, dress well, and go to the job fair. Okay, pagkatapos mo sa job fair, present yourself, practice. Those are the things na wages niya. You just need to wake up early, dress well, etc. Di ba? That's discipline na. That's already discipline. You know you have to wake up tomorrow, early morning. So, a night before, tulog ka. You need to sleep early because you were asking for something. Di ba? But if you're not disciplined enough na matulog sa'yo, kaya gusto ka mag-inom, ML, gusto ka mag-computer, there are things, I don't know. Depende sa inyo. Stepping out of your comfort zone, that's discipline already. Even for me guys, I'm not saying na ako po din na. I'm practicing. So na overnight, Dota is life, Valorant, ML. I've been there, gigan ko kira, and then eventually I realized later on that no, ako ang luoy. At the end of the day, think of this. What did you gain? Ako ang luoy. Wala yan ko gain. Wala na siya in line sa kong goal. And also, discipline gives you self-respect. Let's say atong goal karon. Let's say atong one of our goal is to lose weight. Now, life will tell you or will give it to you only if you're disciplined enough. 2, number 1, iwas kag soft drinks. Number 2, iwas kag sweet. Number 3, eat the right foods. If you're disciplined enough to follow the things nga mag-reduce ka, so eventually 6 months time, 1 year time, makuha din mo yung goal. Make a goal and make incremental goals. It makes it easier and it makes it more enjoyable. It makes it easier to stick through our diet. Don't pressure yourself so much na ma-overwhelm ka. Just make small goals, one step at a time. Motivation will drive you to do things, but discipline will determine where you go in life. Motivation is good, but again, discipline and consistency is, I think, more important. I myself, dili pa ko perfect, but I'm trying my best to replace old habits that I have. A life is a just employer. It gives you what you want, but you need to prepare to pay the wages. Nanay ganang simple, guys. What you do right now greatly affects who you will be in the future. 5 years time from now, kasi gusto ka ma-study mo life, but today pa lang, dili ka willing mo work hard, dili ka mo willing mo learn of new skills, dili ka willing mo adjust sa mo comfort zone. So do you think makuha niyo mo ay mohang goal 5 years from now? Or you're not willing to change your old habits for new habits na in line sa mo goal? How do you expect your life to get better? Some of us, manggod, if walay result after 3 days, walay result after 1 week, 5 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, kung mo nakitang result, mo surrender na dayon kay wala man, wala naabot, wala yan. Just because wala kayo nakitang result after 5 days of hard work, doesn't mean it's not working. God will give it to you in the right time. God will give it to you if you are ready. Gusto kang 1 million, yet imong spending habits wala nagbago. Paghatag niya 1 million sa imo, ihatag niya karon, kabalo siya, iwalda siya po niyong inom. And then mangayo na pod ka. Then ihatag na pod niya, then you're gonna spend it anywhere. Kita man gani, hesitant ta mo hatag og butang sa atong mga anak, sa atong mga igsuon. Nakabalot nga di sila disiplina. Enough dad mangayo og motor. But kabalo ka di kabalo drive. Siya kabalo og mungtan siya. You think ihatag na nimo sa iya? Of course not. That's the same as life. You're not ready. Di niya ihatag sa imo because God knows kung padulong niya po na sa wala or ikapahamak pa nimo. I heard this story. There's a grown man na ulitaw na siya shave. Imagine if we were this guy and this shave was money and kaning shave ihatag nato sa isa ka bata na wala pay buot. Eventually what will happen sa bata? He will cut himself, masamad siya. Now the question is, sala ba sa bata? I don't think so. O may buot ng bata, he doesn't know anything about how to use the razor. Sala ba sa razor? No, because razor wala may labot ng razor, cannot do anything kung wala yung ipanghilabot. But ihatag nimo sa isa ka ulitaw ang razor or ang shave, he will put it into good use. What we're trying to say is the right things at the wrong time will eventually destroy us. That's why timing is everything. Okay, discipline also involves waiting. That's why you need to wait. Ayon sa pag-expect of anything, don't expect anything in the first few moments in my life. I keep reminding myself nga ako'y goal. I might not be perfect, di man siya perfect ako plano. I have flaws na nasipyat yapon ko. I try to align myself every day, makuha na ko na siyang goal. You're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. If you have a goal sa life, it's never too late. As long as you are willing to pay the wages. The 3 principles, nagwa nato, first na tackle na nato is ang gratitude. It's very important. Now the second is discipline. And number 3 will be persistence. So, anyway, kana lang sa akong ma-share sa inyo. I hope that naboy na-realize or naboy na-learn ani na short video. Ang isa pa nang isingit lang guys, discipline is also allow yourself to be teachable. If you find our videos inspiring, helpful, na may matunan, na may ma-realize, then I hope that you'll support our page, like, follow, and share our videos because syempre guys, it inspires us na mag-make ng mga videos ng inani mora to. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless sa inyo tanan. Shout out day sa pamigo nga si Dato Adams. Congratulations sa imong na-achieve. Hopefully napay daghan matches na madaw nimo. Continue to grind dol kay grabe nakita niyo dapat sa una inyong pag-jogging, pagtuyok aning kagayan mo, jogging lang mo. Kamo nilang Yasser, kamo nila Jeff and Karonto, kamo na Tukura. So Karonto, congratulations. I'm rooting for you sa future. Hope to see you soon. Kita din ako live yung mga match of boxing and congratulations once again. So congrats. Thank you.